Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are diving into something truly unique and exciting, the BMW Motorhome 2026. BMW has always been known for luxury, precision engineering, and advanced technology, but this time they've stepped into a whole new segment, combining the comfort of a luxury motorhome with the driving excellence that BMW is famous for. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience on wheels, blending style, innovation, and practicality for those who want to travel without compromise. Asterisk on the exterior, the BMW Motorhome 2026 immediately makes a statement. It carries BMW's iconic design language, but reimagined for a larger vehicle. The signature kidney grille is bold and proportioned perfectly with sleek LED laser headlights that add a futuristic touch. The body is sculpted with smooth lines that reduce drag and give it a modern, elegant presence despite its size. Aerodynamics play a huge role here, making the motorhome look more like a luxury SUV stretched to accommodate the needs of a traveler, rather than a bulky RV. With chrome accents, a panoramic windshield, and stylish alloy wheels, BMW has made sure that even when you're parked at a campsite, your vehicle stands out as a symbol of sophistication and class. The retractable awning, hidden storage compartments, and roof-mounted solar panels show that this motorhome is designed with both aesthetics and practicality in mind. Asterisk step inside, and the interior is nothing short of breathtaking. BMW has applied the same attention to detail you'd expect in a 7 Series or an iX, but on a much grander scale. The cabin is spacious, airy, and designed to feel like a luxury apartment on wheels. Premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and real wood and aluminum trims elevate the living space. The driver's cockpit is pure BMW, with a curved digital display, head-up projection, and the latest iDrive system, making sure the driving experience is smooth and intuitive. Moving toward the living area, you'll find a lounge that can comfortably seat a family, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and a dining area that converts into extra sleeping space. The rear features a master bedroom with a queen-size bed, climate control, and ample storage. Even the bathroom feels premium, with a rainfall shower and modern fittings that you would expect in a luxury hotel. BMW has taken great care to ensure that technology and comfort go hand in hand, with voice-controlled systems, wireless charging stations, and full connectivity for smart devices. Asterisk when it comes to performance, BMW has not compromised despite the size of the vehicle. The Motorhome 2026 is powered by a hybrid system that combines a 6-cylinder petrol engine with advanced electric motors, ensuring strong performance while maintaining efficiency. The powertrain delivers smooth acceleration and enough torque to handle long road trips and challenging terrains effortlessly. Adaptive air suspension makes the ride exceptionally comfortable, absorbing bumps and keeping the motorhome stable even on rough roads. BMW's driving assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, make driving this large vehicle surprisingly easy and stress-free. The electric-only mode is perfect for shorter trips or eco-friendly travel, supported by the solar panels on the roof that help extend battery range while parked. Asterisk now let's talk about pricing. Being a luxury motorhome designed by BMW, it's clear that this won't come cheap. Industry estimates suggest that the BMW Motorhome 2026 will be priced around $250,000 to $300,000, depending on customization and features. While it may seem like a high price tag, it is justified considering the craftsmanship, technology, and luxury it offers. Compared to traditional motorhomes, this model is in a league of its own, providing not just a vehicle, but a complete lifestyle upgrade for those who can afford it. Asterisk the BMW Motorhome 2026 is a bold move by BMW, merging the spirit of adventure with the luxury of premium automobiles.